Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and strategies for making money online. Today, I have an exciting topic for you all: creating your very own automated Etsy shop and cashing in on the booming trend of printed shirts. I'm your host, and I can't wait to dive into this with you. Let's get started. Are you ready to turn your passion for design into a profitable online business? Well, you're in luck. Etsy, the world's leading online marketplace for handmade and unique items, is the perfect platform to showcase your creativity and make some serious money. And guess what? We're going to take it a step further and automate the process with the help of Printify. Now, for those of you who are new to the game, Printify is a fantastic print-on-demand service that allows you to create and sell custom products without the need for inventory or equipment. It's the perfect match for your Etsy shop. So, let's dive into the exciting world of automated entrepreneurship. Imagine this. You design an eye-catching, unique shirt that resonates with your target audience. With Printify, all you have to do is upload your design, choose your preferred shirt style and color, and voila! Printify takes care of the rest: printing, packaging, and shipping directly to your customers. It's like having your own personal production team without any of the hassle. Setting up your automated Etsy shop is a breeze. First, head over to Etsy.com and create your shop. Choose a catchy shop name that reflects your brand and make it memorable. Then, it's time to list your products. Thanks to Printify's seamless integration, you can easily connect your Etsy shop to your Printify account and start adding your custom shirt designs to your shop. Now, let's talk about creating designs that sell like hotcakes. Research your niche and target audience to understand what kind of designs they're looking for. Are they passionate about fitness, travel, or maybe cute animal designs? Make sure your designs stand out and appeal to your specific audience. Don't worry if you're not a design whiz. There are plenty of tools and resources available to help you create stunning designs, even if you don't have prior experience. Canva, for example, offers a user-friendly platform with countless templates and design elements to get you started. Once your Etsy shop is up and running, it's time to spread the word and drive traffic to your listings. The key to success is effective marketing. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your designs, engage with your audience, and run targeted ads to reach potential customers. Building a strong online presence is essential for growing your brand and boosting sales. As your Etsy shop gains traction, you'll start receiving orders. The best part? You don't have to worry about printing, packaging, or shipping. Printify handles all of that for you, allowing you to focus on what you love: designing and growing your business. Plus, they offer competitive pricing, so you can maximize your profits without compromising on quality. So, fellow entrepreneurs, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey of creating your own automated Etsy shop? By combining the power of Etsy's massive marketplace with the convenience of Printify's print-on-demand service, you have the perfect recipe for success. Start designing, start selling, and start making money online today. Thank you for joining me in this thrilling adventure of automated entrepreneurship. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and inspiration to help you make money online. Until next time, stay creative and keep hustling.